Today's video we are unboxing the April Tribe Beauty box. I have everything laid out and I'm super excited to go over everything with you guys. A couple of the items in this bag, I did do a try on full review, all of that for you guys. If you guys do follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen a little sneaky peeky. So if you're not following me over there at hotmessmommabusiness, please do. Also, I have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls, try on, styling, all of that over there. I'd love to have you as part of our family. I will make sure to try and go over, or remember to go over, the makeup on my face at the end of the video. But before we jump in, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, play in makeup, talk about makeup, do all the things with makeup, hair, beauty, skincare, whatever it may be, and just have a good old time. We keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so a little information about the Tribe Beauty box. It is $34 and it is bi-monthly. This is not a monthly subscription. So in this box, you will receive about $120 worth of goodies. They are full-size products. You will receive when you open your box or the bag, you will receive a card, and the card does have all the information about the products in the bag as well as the retail value. So the first item in the bag is by Steve Laurent, and this is a Tweezer Duo. It does have a retail value of $24. And I feel like it's always good to have like tweezers and backup, you know? So this is what it looks like. It does look like it is two different types of styles. Like one's really, really pokey, and then one is like your standard type of tweezer. I don't know. Anyways, the next item in here is a full size, like this is huge, by Lorella, and this is the super size big Gelato Illuminator in the shade Diamond Dust or Gilded Honey. Now the one that was sent over to me is the Gilded Honey. It's ginormous. Like, how pretty is this? So I did go ahead and apply this. So this is what you see on. I kind of started going ham with it because it's so pretty. I did just go ahead and just swatch the little one that I have because I figure why have two open, you know? So as far as the shade goes, it's absolutely beautiful. It's like a champagne-y golden type of hue, and I have zero sunless tan on, no tan whatsoever right now, and I feel like I can still get away with this really pretty champagne-y gold. Now if you did not receive the Gilded Honey, the other one that would be in the box is the Diamond Dust shade, and I have that one as well in like a mini size. And this is kind of like a pinky undertone one. Haley actually wears this shade a lot. So don't you, Haley? What? This one? She's literally on the other side, guys.
Oh, what's it called?
The Lorella Diamond Dust. It's a big gelato.
Yeah, I think I have it in a palette of 3.
That's what I thought. I knew I'd seen.
It's nice.
I know. It's got like a really pretty like iridescent pink undertone. So if you didn't get the Gilded Honey shade, you will be receiving the Diamond Dust. And by the way, this bag is still available over on Tribe Beauty Box's site. I did go over and check it out. They did give me a coupon code for you guys. It is Hot Mess, and it will save you, I think it's like 10% off your first box. I'll have it all linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested. The next item in here is by Suva Beauty. This is the Glossy Lamination. Now I do not have this on today because of the eye look that we've gotten that I created, which yes, I jumped outside my comfort zone, but it's fine. So this is in the shade Elysium, maybe. I do this thing where if I don't know how to say it, I just start whispering, mumbling. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty color. So that is the shade. A little information. I forgot to tell y'all because I'm all over the place. This Lorella super size highlighter, it's $55 and it's going to last you a whole lifetime. Even the card says so. So anywho, back over to the Suva Beauty liquid lipstick. This does have a retail value of $18. And it is a really pretty color. I mean, it kind of has more of like, I feel like a warmer undertone, but I feel like it could be really pretty with like a really pretty natural eye, wispy lashes, and then just more of a nude type of look, and then boom, bold. Sorry guys, I am all over the place. I'm trying to film the video, my boy's out driving, and I'm just like scatterbrained mama here, so here I am. Okay, so moving on to the next item in here. This is one of my favorite products. This is by Spongelle, and this is the Body Wash Infused Buffer. So the scent that I received is Bulgarian Rose, and I love these. I think that these are great. Every time you take a shower, they're so great. Even if it's like an on the go, you're going on a trip or something, like I'll pack these in like a little bag because they will not grow mold whatsoever. So they are sponges. They're infused with a bunch of soap. As soon as you get it wet, you just squeeze it and everything. It suds up, lathers up perfectly, and then you just wash your body with it. And right before I do a sunless tanner, this is absolutely wonderful to exfoliate with. I just absolutely love these. So again, the Bulgarian Rose, I love rose scented things, so I love this. They do have a retail value of $16. And again, if you're starting to get into the sunless tanning, definitely perfect to have a Spongelle. The next item is by Masquerade, and this is the Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask. Now this is a 3-pack clay mask, and it has a retail value of $6.50. I was actually going to test it out because when my Tribe Beauty Box arrived today, I had no makeup on. I was just cleaning the house, dilly-dallying around, and I've been using a lot of retinol here lately, so my skin's pretty dry. This is good for normal to oily skin, and if my skin wasn't so dry, I would have like used this in the T-zone, because I definitely use detoxifying mask in my T-zone because I have the worst congestion there. And it does say that these masks are the perfect way to cleanse and detoxify your pores, because they have, to detoxify your pores, it says, want an intense feeling, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, works to rid the skin surface of unwanted buildups and impurities. It does help if you also have any type of, oh, I thought it was a powder, any type of acne, sorry. Love when the ADD is strong. So that's really cool, because I thought you had to mix it with something. So it's already a pre-mixed in a little tube, and I feel like if you don't use the whole thing, if you just put it in a Ziploc baggie and put it into your skincare fridge, I don't know, maybe not, but maybe you get multiple uses out of it. Just my thought. Okay, so the last item, which is going to maybe be playing on half the screen for you guys, this is the Sweetheart palette by Lorella Cosmetics. Now this has a retail value of $20, and to be honest with you guys, I was shocked that this palette is only $20. So as you guys know, I don't typically do very colorful look. I am definitely more of a neutral bronzy, maybe some like soft glam type of look. So when I do jump outside my comfort zone, I definitely prefer purples and pinks. So this palette is right up my alley. I mean, on the card it says the theme is Cotton Candy Kisses, and I just feel like this is like the perfect palette for this theme. So a little bit about this palette, my thoughts on it. I loved everything. I felt like the mattes performed beautifully. They built up well, as you're going to see in my application process. I thought that the shimmers were really pretty. You get a very nice payoff of everything. And I mean, look at this purple shade. Like, she's gorgeous. And everything, I know swatches don't tell the story, and I'm swatching it right over highlight, but I just loved the way everything performed on this palette. I was able to layer everything up, build it up, blend it out, do all the things. And again, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just someone who loves to play in makeup, and I found that reminding myself it's just makeup, it washes off, has kind of helped me get outside that comfort zone a little bit easier than before. I do have some Ardell wispies on the outer portion of my lashes or on my eyes, just because I felt like this was kind of like a, woo, kind of look. So a little information about this palette. It says you have the perfect balance of mattes and shimmers, which I would 100% agree with that. It says that these can create the most subtle of looks to the sultriest, with blushing and bright pinks to soft champagnes and peaches to deep and bold shades. You'll have everyone swooning over the eyeshadow glam. And again, I do think it was a very, very pretty palette. I think if you went, like, you want to go subtle, you could go with the shade Cutie and then pop a little bit of Love Story in there, and I think that would be a really pretty neutral type of look, because I'm trying to find a clean finger. See, it's kind of like a muted down type of purple, and I think it could be really gorgeous. So all in all, this palette did surprise me, because again, I'm scared of colors, and this was gorgeous, and I think it's going to work for a lot of people. So overall, that is everything in the box. We did receive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 6 items for $34.99. I definitely think that Tribe Beauty boxes quickly become one of my favorites. I mean, I love the fact that you get full-size products in here, and the one big thing for me personally, because I am such a neutral Nelly a lot of the times, I know when I get a Tribe Beauty box in the mail, it's gonna make me get outside my comfort zone, and sometimes I feel like we just need that. So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys are interested in signing up for the Tribe Beauty box, I will have a link down below. It will be an affiliate link. I do believe code HOTMESS will save you 10% at checkout for your first Tribe Beauty box. They also have like sales and everything that goes on, and one of the boxes actually had the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base, which of course I have on today. I absolutely love this primer, and this has been in the sale before, so definitely make sure to check their deals and steals out. What was your favorite item? I'm gonna say, ooh, it's kind of hard because I love Spongelle, but this palette, again, it's a $20 palette, and it really shocked me, especially with the amount of payoff that you got with these pinks. And, you know, I mean, they just blew me out of the water. Anyways, guys, so as far as my foundation goes, I do have the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 185, which is a little too light for me. So I did mix it with my Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromanic. It's like a tinted moisturizer foundation. My lips, I have on my Ciate Linden. This is in the shade Electra. And then I mixed it with some of my Pat McGrath. This is Dare to Bear lip gloss, just to kind of calm it down a little bit. But everything else I'll have it linked and listed down below. My kids just came in, and it's about to get rowdy in here. So I'm hopping off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Check me out on my second channel, Hot Miss Mama Vlogs, for some more plus size curvy girl fashion try-on hauls. And of course, over on Instagram, where I do pop up little quick like tutorials on how I created looks of the day. So until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.